It's Jaybird.
Caveman.
Just kicking it. It's a snowy day. Very snowy day. Uh, you know. Lonely.
Lonely.
Very lonely. But, you know, just check out the stuff on the page at least, you know. I got a couple songs on there. Your boy So True. That's me. Slower mic, you know what I mean.
I got the caveman dance on there also.
Yeah, that's Caveman, ladies and gentlemen. Check out Cave. Go ahead, Cave. Go ahead.
What's going on, everybody? Playing some weed here.
Yeah.
Just chilling.
Dick Sports, holler at
I
your boy.
beat you. No, you beat me.
I want y'all to put someone who looks like me up in this bad boy. You know, I don't know what to tell you. Start off, I woke up this morning, little brother staying on, fucking skipping school. But that's the youth. That's the youth of the nation right there, you know what I mean? You skip school, I guess. But I skip college once in a while. But I love college. I love college. Caveman don't go to college.
I go and hang out there all the time. I do.
It's called short. Short to be secret. I got a text message on it.
You got that.
He said,
In my phone, it's under CCUA. She just texted me. Say D Quentin. If you understand that. That's what's up. What's up? Holler at me. Talk to me. This is recording live. Of course, straight on to YouTube. YouTizzle. What's up, YouTube? Pay me for some shit. I don't know what yet.
We're sponsored. We need to be sponsored.
I'm gonna do some crazy stuff.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Alright, we got
Oh, did you
ideas.
get a video camera?
I got this video camera.
I got a video camera.
That's the boy Brando's. Brando's.
What is up?
Boy Brando, there's the skipper right there. Look at him. That's the one skipping school. Yeah. It's okay. He's got scholarships.
And he's wasting away.
Dude, I bet we could put that redneck celebrity in there. I got a video camera at the house.
You have a cord for it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We can go down some hills. Hey, y'all want to see us go down some hills? I've seen some hills back here, man. It's covered in fucking snow. My words need to catch up. I look like I'm Chinese.
Look like I'm daddy.
Like Chris Rock would say.
Black and knees.
I'm black and East. Wah!
Let's do it. We gotta plan this out. Let's see. We could do redneck sledding. The paintball's supposed to get filled up. We can shoot each other.
On redneck
Sledding.
I want a gun.
Alright.
I hold on one hand.
This is what we'll do.
Alright, man. So we're gonna kick out real quick because we got some sledding plans to make. Sledding plans to make. You know what that means. Once again, Jaybird,
Caveman out.
Preacher Man,
Peace out.
Brando.
I just noticed it has volume. Ah, see?